Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Manjeet and today we will be talking about Paul Thomas Anderson, who is among one of my favorite directors of all time. Paul Thomas Anderson उन डायरेक्टर्स में से एक है जिन्होंने अपने करियर का स्टार्ट बहुत ही अर्ली एज पे करा था एंड आई थिंक ही वाज 19 or 20 when he received his first Academy Award nomination for original screenplay for Boogie Nights, and that gives you the idea that how talented that guy really is. He has almost won almost all major awards, like he has won the BAFTAs, the Golden Globe, the Silver Lion, the Golden Lion. He has won at Cannes, he has won Berlin, and he has almost won every writing award that there is. उनकी movies बहुत ही ज़्यादा script oriented होती हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा writing driven होती हैं, and I think that is one because he is himself the writer of his movies, and second because his movies are based on a lot of human emotions, be it sadness, be it joy, be it grief, be it heartbreak or anything else. He has made a lot of masterpieces and his movies include The Master, Phantom Thread, and the greatest movie of 21st century, There Will Be Blood, starring Daniel Day-Lewis. So Paul Thomas Anderson is known as a director who makes some movies in his own unconventional manner. मतलब इनकी कुछ movies ऐसी हैं जो देखने के बाद लोगों को कम्प्लीटली समझ में नहीं आती हैं, नॉट लाइक नोलन वे में समझ में नहीं आती हैं, बट एक डिफरेंट आर्टिस्टिक वे में समझ में नहीं आती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब मैंने पहली बार द मास्टर देखी थी, एज सच मेरे भी कुछ ज़्यादा समझ में नहीं आया था, ऑल्दो विजुअली बहुत ही अच्छी थी मूवी देखने के लिए, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट बाकी सब पूरा बाउंसर गया था. And it took me a couple of articles, a couple of interviews of PTA to understand the writing of his movies, and also a couple of rewatches to understand कि The Master का basic concept क्या था. So if you really want to deep dive into another dimension of cinema and kind of want to go through a transition of watching movies, then PTA is a guy that you should definitely consider in your bucket list or in your watch list. So I will be recommending his movies that I think are pretty easy to understand than the others and are pretty easy to grasp than the rest of his filmography. The movie that I'm recommending of Paul Thomas Anderson is Magnolia. Magnolia is an all-star ensemble movie of पॉल थॉमस एंडरसन. इस मूवी में इतने बड़े बड़े स्टार्स हैं जिन्होंने हर किसी ने अपना एक बहुत ही गजब का रोल किया है, एंड आई थिंक कि ये वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एक्टेड मूवीज में से एक है. एंड इस मूवी में है फिलिप सीमर हॉफमैन, टॉम क्रूज, जुलियाना मूर, and William H. Macy, and all other very talented stars who give a very dedicated performance throughout the movie. Movie ka plot is kind of goes like this. There is a performer who is very misogynist. There is a man who is on the verge of dying and he is being taken care of by a male nurse. And there is this long running show host of trivia who has a lot of secrets with him. There is a child genius who's participating in this trivia competition, and there is also a man who was a former child genius and who won a competition but is now going through a self existential crisis. साथ ही में एक कॉप का रोल भी है और कॉप के साथ साथ एक एडिट का रोल भी है, और इन सारे रोल्स की जो टाइमलाइन है ऑलमोस्ट एक ही साथ पैरेलली चलती है, एंड दैट इज हाउ द स्टोरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ मैग्नोलिया इज फॉर्म्ड. क्योंकि ये स्टोरीज बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरलिंक्ड लगती हैं तो उनको दिखाने का तरीका भी वैसे ही रखा है. लाइक he has shown a camera in a continuous motions and there are a lot of one take shots, and this really gives you the idea of the vision of the movie and also kind of keeps you excited by the imagery shown. In fact Magnolia के कुछ ऐसे scenes हैं जो one of the best acted scenes हैं. टॉम क्रूज का एक सीन है जिसमें स्टार्टिंग में बहुत ही ज़्यादा गुस्से में होता है और एंड में उनका एकदम नर्वस ब्रेकडाउन हो जाता है, and that is one of the best acted cinematic scenes of all time. In fact, he earned a nomination for Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor, and that says a lot about how great his performance was in the movie. Another thing about this movie is कि जब ये movie आई थी तो there were a lot of critics who went other way and kind of criticized the movie, and they said that the point that PTA was trying to prove at the start of the movie is the same thing that he dismantles. But Roger Ebert, who is considered to be one of the greatest critics of all time, he was hosting a show and he was giving review to Magnolia. जो उनकी co-host थी उन्होंने यही same बात कही थी that उनका जो point starting में था वो end में एकदम पूरा धुंधला हो जाता है. And he said, for Roger Ebert, that it's not the certainty. He said something like this: it's not certainty of life that really surprises you, it's the uncertainty of it. And he already predicted that how great the movie is, and he already said that it is going to be a masterpiece. So that gives you an idea that how great Roger Ebert was and how ahead he was really of his time. Another thing about Magnolia and Paul Thomas Anderson is कि अगर कोई एक Indian counterpart I have to choose that resembles the filmmaking style of Paul Thomas Anderson, then it would be Imtiaz Ali. More because वो जो movie बना देते हैं लोग 5 साल बाद रियलाइज करते हैं दैट उसने तो एकदम मास्टरपीस बना दिया, एंड आफ्टर 5 years दे एक्चुअली स्टार्ट अप्रिशिएटिंग द ग्रेट मूवी दैट ही मेड, नॉट एट द टाइम ऑफ मेकिंग। उस टाइम तो लोग थोड़ा क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं, लोग बोलते हैं समझ में नहीं आई, और फिर 5 साल बाद दे जस्ट ऑल हेल इट हाई, जस्ट लाइक तमाशा at the time of release. So I think कि वीडियो नॉर्मल लेंथ से ज़्यादा बड़ा हो रहा है, so I will definitely cut into 2 parts and make a second part of Paul Thomas Anderson recommendations, and there are not enough parts to cover the recommendations of Paul Thomas Anderson, so that will be it in this video. So if you're looking to watch movies, that will give you a totally different perspective of cinema and will also help you in going through your transition of watching movies, then Magnolia is something that you should definitely consider, and do watch this movie and share your experience with us. That was all for today. Until then, keep watching movies.